Amanda. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. Hope you're having an awesome day. Thank you for taking a few minutes out of your day to hang out with me. Today's video, I'm super excited because it is a huge multi-channel collab. My friend Karen Ann is hosting this Valentine's Day giveaway. She holds a special place in my heart. The first ever collab video I've ever done on my channel was through her as well. And that collab has blossomed this beautiful friendship. So I'm really excited to be a part of this one. I missed out on the New Year's one because I didn't have my life together, but it's okay. We're here now. This collab is huge. There are 3 different categories. 10 channels will be creating cute looks, 10 channels will be creating sexy looks, and 10 channels will be creating anti-Valentine's Day looks. I wonder which one I chose. Ding ding ding! Anti-Valentine. This is where the SFX makeup would have come really in handy. There will in total be 6 winners. 3 creators will be winning, 1 from each category, and then the winning creator will choose a subscriber in their comments to be a winner as well. Head over to Karen Ann's channel for all the rules on how to enter, but in a nutshell, you must be subscribed to all the channels participating in this collaboration, and from each category, you must comment on whose look you thought was the best. And if you're visiting from any of the other channels, welcome. Hi, I'm Amanda. Thank you so much for stopping by. Please subscribe and give this video a like. Let's jump into it. I have already gone ahead and done my foundation and filled in my brows. I used items from my project pan. That video will be linked in case if you missed it. I'm going to prime the eyes with the Urban Decay Potion Primer. I almost was going to be very predictable and do an all black look, but I've already done that on my channel before. And then I was really conflicted of which palette to choose. And I ended up going with the Melt Myrte palette because A, I haven't used it on my channel before, bought it for a review, never got around doing it. This is what the inside looks like. And yes, some of the shades are touched, and I just wanted to get an idea of these shades before using this palette for this video. I'm gonna start out with the shade Pantheon. I almost said Patron. That dyslexic be kicking in. Next, I'm going to take the shade Duelo. Next, I'm going to dip into Katrina. I'm going to add some eyeliner to my lid and waterline. I'm going to take Velo Rio to smoke out the lower lash. I'm also going to blend in a little bit of Noche Eterna. And just to give it a little Valentine's Day action, I do want to go into the inner corner with Angelito. I'm going to add some Venus Gale lashes and then tight line my upper waterline. Quickly going to add some bronzer, blush, and highlighter. And then the ColourPop liquid lipstick in the shade Saturday to complete the look. And here we have the final look. Honestly, I think this is one of my most favorite looks I have ever created. I loved how everything blended together, and this palette just gives me so much life. My inner goth girl is thriving right now. And although this is an anti-Valentine look, I still want Brock to be my Valentine. I'm very excited to see everyone else's looks that participated in the collab. I'm definitely glad I went with anti-Valentine. It is just my aesthetic. I feel like I'm thriving right now with this very dark and grungy look. It is just giving me so much life right now. If you don't vote for me, that's cool. I mainly just participated in this collab to support my friend. But if you think it's the best anti-Valentine's Day look, definitely let myself and Karen know. That way your vote gets counted towards me in the running, and then you might potentially win a prize as well for voting for me. Good luck to all the other creators participating in this video. This was such a fun collab, and thanks again to Karen MUA for inviting me to participate. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave, and if you don't, I appreciate your view anyways, and I'll see you in the next video.